There's Cruz, who weighs 245.
You got an arm that weighs 162.
From the 6-yard line, Bob moves it a moment, pulls it back in, out across the 20, and down at the 23-yard line.
Carney's kick. This time it's taken at the 9, and it's fumbled. And it is batted back in bounds. Terry Crews, he was also involved in it. He came up with the football from the 17-yard line. Bernie Parmalee.
And Harris from the 8. Stays on his feet to the 25, 26-yard line.
It'll be Ryan Terry on his own 7. Going back the other way, and that is the wrong way. Dropped at the 15 by Terry Crews.
Harris is back instead of Galloway. Fielding it. Can't turn the corner.
Ryan Terry takes a kickoff from his own 5.
Going to be Dexter Carter. As it bounds, that ball's free, and Carter jumps and brings it down, gets to the 22.
Matt Turk will punt it to Vanover from the 17-yard line, and hemmed in and carries a defender, and he's out of the 24-yard line.
Keep 2 safeties if you're the Redskins and put it on the ground.
And picked up by the tight end, Sloan. Tackled by Terry Crews.
Verdan waits for it at the goal line.
Oh! This was a major collision.